Hi there, what's crackin'? Welcome to my tutorial series on learning Cypress plus Cucumber. In today's video, we're going to continue with the filters. So filtering by completed, let's move that into in progress. And if we click on the completed filter button, we can see that we only see the ones that have been completed. On active, we only see the active ones. We click on all, we can see them all. So let's go into our integration folder. And we've got filter by active.feature. So now that we're adding more filter tests, I think it makes sense if we rename this to just filters. Filters.feature, go up here, that, and just say filters. And the filtering by completed is pretty much the same scenario as filtering by active. So we'll drop that in here and we'll say see only completed to-dos. We'll save that so it formats. So given I have the following to-dos, we've got a test to do that's not completed and another test to do that is complete. And I navigate to the home page and the home page is loaded when I filter by active. In this case, it's going to be when I filter by completed, then I see the following to-dos. And we're going to see this to-do. And let's double check. Do we see one item left? We still see one item left. So we'll save that. Now we can't find this step filter by completed. That's because we need to rename this folder. The filters. When I filter by active. So we're going to change this step. We're going to make this when I filter by string. And then we're going to get the filter type parameter here. And I guess the text that we're looking for, the filter type is active, then it's going to be active. Otherwise, it's going to be completed. Then we'll remove this contains here and we'll just look for the text. So going over that again, we'll pass in I filter by a string. We'll generate some text based on the filter type that's passed in. And then we'll look for the filter item that contains that text and we'll click on it. And so we'll rename this file to be when I filter by string. Okay, let's see if our tests are all good. So now we just have the filters feature. We'll click on that. That will run both of our scenarios. I filter by completed. And I filter by completed when I filter by completed. Not finding step. So when I filter by oh, we need to put these in quotes. Quotes there and quotes there. Okay, and then if we close and reopen this file, we'll see those lines go away. Okay, so we're all good. On the filters. And we're able to test both seeing only the not yet completed to-dos and seeing only the completed to-do. If you've got any comments or questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the content in this video or any other previous videos, now's a good time to hit subscribe or click the thumbs up button. If you want to chat to me live, I live stream coding on twitch.tv/DaneHarnett. And if you want to tweet at me, hit me up at twitter.com/DaneHarnett. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.